Hey everybody, today I'm going to be covering the Naked brand group. I've covered it numerous times before, but I'm going to be covering it again today. I'm not going to be going over the filing specifically. It's a little bit more complicated, and I was going to read over it a little bit more before I prepped a video for you guys. But I am going to cover why I believe there's a chance for it to pop into today. Now, as you can see, the price dipped all the way down to 215 when just yesterday it was at over 252. It went over, I believe, even to higher than that, 260 some, and then all the way down here to 219 into the next day. And then, of course, you guys are probably wondering, well, what happened? Essentially, there was a delay on the merger yet again, which was kind of surprising, but at the same time, not so much after reading the filing. The two key things to note here were the delay and the offering is finished, at least at this point of which I've read through so far. And we're going to go into little details about that here, so make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Check out the playlist for more details about Naked and the Bendon merger. And jump in here, there was an 8K and there was as a Def A 14A. They were talking about all of that. We're going to get into that in the next video here, so make sure to stay tuned for that in just a day or two. And this is the key thing to note here as to why I believe that there will be a pop. Now you got Naked Brand Group announces the 5.5 million in gross proceeds from completed at the market offering, amends a letter of intent with Bendon to reflect 34 million in expected balance sheet improvements. So they're expecting a positive, a very strong positive, and it goes into detail here in the press release. It's a very interestingly timed press release that might in turn cause a surge. And what's interesting here is the average price of a 251 pursuant to the at the market offering agreement with Maxim Group. So keeping that in mind, that's a very specific amount that it's sold at. So you might be expecting that to pop up somewhere around there, and that might be their new high value. A specific amendment here, as you can read. Leave that up to you guys, for you guys. The amendment includes 34 million in positive adjustments to the net debt target for the anticipated combined company's balance sheet at the close of the transaction, as contemplated under the amendment. The combined company would have total net debt of approximately 13 million, and then it goes 6 million, and then it goes all these specifics here. I mean, so far it's looking pretty good to me, at least in terms of a technical pop. Haven't went over the filing specifically for everything else. As you can see, in the after hours, it was a 16,432 volume. And a lot of these people don't seem like they're like attempting to short this. Rather, they're attempting to stockpile and accumulate in perhaps an attempt at another pump. And you go a little bit further here. If you're not familiar, it's also under a short sale circuit breaker and a short sale restricted, rather, I should say. And what this essentially means is that shorts are going to have a lot more time, a lot more of an issue actually shorting this particular stock because of the trigger time and because of the stock itself. So when they're trying to short, they're going to have, it's a lot more of a hassle to do so, and that's going to restrict them. And in turn, with the news of the offering as an actually good thing, and of course the oversold nature of the Naked brand group in general, and of course, as I showed here with the 251 at the market agreement and the selling of the shares. So in general, the value is a little bit higher than what it's showing right now. And of course, it's oversold because a lot of people were not so happy about the delay. And that's why it went like all the way down here to all the way up here at 229. It's an initial pop. And then it kind of settled down and then it got stuck. And then in the after hours, it popped up to 220. So I'd expect a pretty good green day. I'm not sure what exactly is going to happen. We're going to find out here very soon, or as you guys are probably watching this we're finding out right now. So good luck to all, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see the video following up about the filing more specifically in detail. I don't believe they're going to complete the merger tomorrow, so I will get to that then. Have a nice day.